वेलकम बैक डियर स्टूडेंट्स इन जे क्लासेज। अपना जो बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स चल रहे हैं फिजिक्स के लिए, तो उसमें डिफरेंशिएशन के बाद अपना नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है इंटीग्रेशन। तो इसके लिए हम शुरुआत कर रहे हैं। व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन? द प्रोसेस ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन इज जस्ट द रिवर्स ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन एंड सिंबल फॉर इंटीग्रेशन, दिस इज द सिंबल फॉर इंटीग्रेशन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, integration of function of x with respect to dx is equal to the solution of the answer of this question. Then follow some basic formulae of integration. First formula, integration of x power n dx. So result is x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, where c is the integrating constant. Okay, and n is not equal to -1. For example, integration of x power 3 dx is equal to x power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to x power 4 by 4 plus c, constant of integration. Next, second example, x power minus 2 dx is equal to x minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. It means you add 1 in power and write down the power in denominator plus c. Here c is also right. So answer is x minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. So you can write minus 1 upon x plus c. Next example, if power of x is minus 1, then answer become directly log e base x plus c. Note down this example. So you can easily find out the value of x power n. Next, if integration of direct term, so what is the answer? You know the multiply with dx is 1. You can do this, and value of 1, so x power 0. Power 0 means value of this term is 1. So same formula apply, means of formula 1. So power 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1. So answer become x plus c. You can learn directly. If integration of dt, then direct you can write t plus constant of integration. Means integration with respect this variable. So answer become this variable. Next formula, integration of cu dx. Here u is the function of x and c is a constant. So constant outside the integration, and after then you can do the integration of u. For example, integration of 5x power 4 dx. Here 5 is c and x power 4 is u. So 5 integration x power 4 dx is equal to 5 into x power 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 plus c means 5 x power 5 divided by 5 plus c. So answer is x base to power 5 plus c. Okay, next question. Same in previous. If c x base to power and dx means first you write the constant as it is and solve down the integration of x की power n. So for your practice I write some examples here. Integration of 6x to second integration of 3 root x dx and second and last third integration of 5 by x cube dx. Okay, next formula e base to power x dx is equal to e power x plus c. You learn c is the constant of integration. In every term, c is the constant of integration. Next, if in this formula we write e base to power ax dx, so what is the answer of this question? E base to power ax and differentiation of power plus c. Then a is constant and x is variable. So e base to power ax upon after solution the differentiation answer become small a plus c. Next question, integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x. X is the angle. Then in solution you write differentiation of the angle means d by dx and value of angle is x. So answer is 1. Then you can write directly minus cos x plus c. Next, if integration of sin nx dx, what is the answer of this question? First, you solve integration of sin means minus cos nx and differentiation of angle in dividation means write down in denominator nx plus capital C minus cos nx upon n plus c. Right? So please write down this special formula utilized in various derivation in the physics. So next, cos x dx is equal to sin x, but differentiation of cos x is equal to minus sin x. But here integration of cos x is equal to sin x and same in dividation differentiation of angle and same differentiation of angle in this term become 1. So you write 1. So no any requirement for the 1 in this term. Next, integration of cos nx dx. is equal to sin nx upon d by dx into angle. Angle value of angle is nx plus c. This implies sin nx upon n plus c. Solution of this differentiation. We know n is constant. Then write down in outside the differentiation dx upon dx. So answer is n. This is also explained in previous videos. So next, integration is two type, indefinite integral and definite integral. So what is the meaning of indefinite integral? In indefinite integral, for example, integration of 3x 4 dx means no any limits bound, means no any limit is mentioned. So we should add a constant in the result of integration. This is indefinite. Indefinite means not defined, means not mention any limits, any conditions of integration. So answer of this question 3x base to power 5 by 5 plus c. When the condition of integration is not mentioned, we should add a constant c in the result of indefinite integral. But what is the definite integral? So definite integral is the when a function is integrated between definite limits, the integral is called definite integral. For example, integration of function f x dx from a to b is a definite integral of fx between the limits a and b. So after solution, let us consider the integration of fx function is capital Fx. So first you write lower limit and upper limit. After apply the limits, here we do not use constant of integration. Why? This is definite integral. So first you write function and upper limit. The value of x is b. Here we put b means upper limit minus lower limit a. Example for definite integral, integration of x power 2 dx value 3 to 7 is equal to, first you solve the integration and using the first formula of integration, then power is 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Write upper limit and lower limit is equal to x cube upon 3. Upper limit and lower limit. This is upper limit and this is lower limit. We put the value of upper limit where is the function in with respect to do integral. So x is the function which is integrated. So value of x, first write upper limit 7 cube upon 3 minus lower limit 3 cube upon 3. You can solve the numerically value. Next example. Example 2. For definite integral, you write sin 7x dx, value of limits 0 to 30 degree. 30. First you solve the integral. You know the integration of the sin x is minus cos x, and after then you do differentiation of the angle, then differentiation of the angle is 7, and write limit 0 to 30 is equal to, you can write minus 1 upon 7 into cos 7x 0 to 30. Put the limits 1 upon 7. First upper limit means 7 into 30 minus lower limit 7 into 0 means limits put on the place of x. Why? Integration with respect to x. So we put the value of limits only at the place of x. So after multiply the cos 210 degree minus cos 0. You can solve this question easily after put the value of cos 210 means 210. Okay, then you can easily solve. So this is the definite integral. Thank you for today class. Next we discuss about basic concepts which is used in physics. So next topic we discuss in next video trigonometry. So trigonometry के लिए आप बने रहिए हमारी नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए.